अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाई नेटवर्क के दोस्तों। आज इस वीडियो में आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन ला रहे हैं कि किस तरह आप पाई नेटवर्क से ज़्यादा अर्न कर सकते हैं। वीडियो अगरचे इंग्लिश में है लेकिन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए आखिर तक तमाम दोस्त देखें।
Today, I'll be talking about the transfer section in the Pi app. For some reason, every time I make a video, I always think that most of the pioneers around the world know this info. And I'm always assuming at the moment while I'm recording the video that they know what I'm talking about. But I have noticed that many pioneers do not know how to get Fever IQ Pi rewards inside the Pi app. If you haven't signed up for Pi Network, make sure you do it as soon as possible. We are really close to the 10 million subscribers goal. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and iOS Store and download Pi Network app. And don't forget to use my invite code, EDICAWAS. If this is the first time watching one of my videos,
सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर किसी ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप इसको सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।
Pi Network. Many pioneers always ask me, how come I got the transfer section in my Pi app and they don't have it? And it's the simplest thing to do. I'll show you how to do it so that way you can get 0.001 Pi reward every day just by doing this. Once you're in Pi app, all you have to do is go to settings on the top left corner. After that, you press Pi apps, and then you press Fever IQ, and then you press the blue square. And this is just an example. You can fill it up the way you want it. Doesn't have to be perfect. And for me, most of the time, I don't have any symptoms, so I just put no symptoms. And that's all you have to do for this option. I'm gonna let the video play a little bit more. Once you finish with all these steps, all you have to do is go back, press settings, and I'm assuming you're gonna have open the transfer section. And for some of you, this is gonna be the first transaction in your history. So that is how it works. And I always forget, for some reason, always forget that there are about 3 to 4 million pioneers in the last couple months. And I always think that they know all this information when I'm talking about in the videos, but it's not the case. So I wanted to make this video for the new pioneers, and I hope you start doing this every day so you can get your Pi rewards. I'm gonna end up the video here. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in my next one.
दोस्तों, इसको समझिए और जिस तरह इस वीडियो में बताया गया है इसी तरह रोज़ाना करते रहें।